Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I have 3 boxes. I'm going to be opening up 3 boxes for you now. I have actually pre-sliced them, so hopefully these guys open easily. But yeah, I have so much of this product, and I love it. But gotta get through it. I think I have 6 cases left, so let's get through all of these and hopefully you find a bunch of winner cards. So far I've pulled 9 winners out of all these boxes that I've been pulling for you, that I've been opening for you. But there we go. Let's get on going. The only reason why I rush is because TikTok, they only allow 10-minute video. So, oh, first one, it popped out. Alright, so let's stick this one aside. And yeah, so TikTok only allows 10 minutes, so I gotta rush a little bit. That's why I pre-sliced it, or will be pre-slicing them. Alright, we'll start with these. And come on, double winner. Let's go. I don't see you. There you are. No double winner, but hey, we've got one winner box. I will leave the winner box for the last opening, but let's get to opening them. Clean up a little bit of this mess. There we go. Alright. Put these aside and start on the packs. Let's go. We have Buzz and Woody. Whoops. I moved the camera, so sorry about that. Incredibles and Rex. Yeah, the camera on the phone is so much different than my normal YouTube camera, so it's hard. YouTube, the camera's right here. With this, it's over here, so I gotta adjust. What is this? Oh, we have a lenticular. Whoops. We have the Nemo lenticular, and we have a Forky. Let's see if it's possible to do 3 boxes in 10 minutes. If not, I guess I'll have to cut it down to 2, but I'm gonna try to get a lot of these done. But hope you're enjoying the videos. We've got May and Buzz. But I love these sets. Well, if I didn't love them, I wouldn't invest in them, right? But yeah, these are really fun and really high quality cards. If you haven't seen them before, look at how thick they are. They are really high quality cards. Most of the cards out now, like Lorcana and stuff like that, they're just cheap. I'd say cheap garbage. But yeah, they are. Pokemon cards are so thin, it's ridiculous. I have some around here somewhere. But yeah, they're just ridiculously thin. We got a Carl, and we have a movie quote. Valuing life is not weakness, and disregarding it is not strength. So, love those little quote cards. Got another movie quote, and we got a Jessie. If you're interested in buying any of these cards, it says, "I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine." They are listed in my eBay store, plushgamesandmore.com. Merida and Slinky Dog. And I have them in sets, so you can just buy individual packs. Oh, whatever you want. We have Lotso and Merida. Come on, let's get a gold card out of these. We have May and Remy. Another lenticular with Eve and Wally. And we have Jessie. Let me know in the comments, do you like me doing it fast like this, or you'd like me to slow down and do just 2 boxes? How do you prefer it? That's just the other guy. Let's do this one first. Oh, look at that. We have a film cell Bob Parr. And we'll do this, and then we'll do the winner box. Oh, we got a duplicate. Double Bob Parr. There you go. All right, so let's start with cards, and let's see what's in the winner box. We have Carl and Ellie. I just sold one of these for 20 bucks, so that is good. I just sold a set of the Toy Story set too for, I believe I sold it for 50. Ham and Lotso. We have a lenticular Nemo. And a lenticular, well, not lenticular, just a normal Slinky Dog. Slinky Dog. We have a silver Carl and a common Rex. These are the commons, and this is the second one is the silver. And then they go gold, red, and then black. Get out of there. Wall-E movie quote. I don't want to survive, I want to live. And a Mrs. and Mr. Potato Head. We have Silver 22 and Joe Gardner. And another Forky. And a Crappy. Come on, what are we going to get? Oh, we got the red card. Here we go. This is limited. Limited to 100. We have 97 out of 100. We will stick him up there. And we got a Lotso. So yeah, like I said, that is the it goes gold, red, then black, and then I don't know what the last version is because those are 1 out of 1s, and I've never seen anybody pull them yet. We have a Miguel and a Jack. And here is our last card. Oh, we have a nice gold up. That is Russell. I'm showing you up close because I kind of went pretty fast. Yeah, there we go. So let me show you this guy again. I will bag it right now. Whoops. Again, with the camera, I'm not used to it. We have a Joe Gardner and a 22. And it is 97 out of 100. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any cards, go to my website, plushgamesandmore.com. That'll link you to my eBay account. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. And if you're on TikTok, why are you on TikTok? Get over here. Take care. Bye.